Welcome to Zero Plus channel. Today we want to talk about PowerPoint. Okay, we want to change the size of slides. Go to Design menu and then select Slide Size from Customize ribbon. Okay, you can see standard and wide screen. And if you want a custom size, select custom slide size. Okay. In drop down menu, you can see some standard size. Okay. But if you want a custom size, set the measure in width and height. Okay. You can set the number of slides. For example, my default number of my first slide is 1. I can change it to, for example, 5. And you can change the orientation for a slide. For example, portrait or landscape. Okay, and this notes, handouts, and outline, portrait or landscape. I set to portrait. A4 paper size and OK. PowerPoint asks me maximize the object on slide or ensure fit. I select ensure. Every object in one slide fit on new size. Okay. But maybe you have some question. If you want a different size in one PowerPoint file, can you? No. You can't. You can only have one slide size and one orientation per presentation file or project. But how you can make different size of the slide for a presentation? Okay, you can link several different files together to create a presentation that has different slide size. You can create two PowerPoint files and select an object in the main PowerPoint to act as a hyperlink. Go to Insert Links Action and select either the mouse click or mouse over tab. Select hyperlink to, and in the drop down menu choose other PowerPoint presentation. So you have different slide size but in two presentation file with a link. Okay, good luck.